Yes, it is called the Twister Remote Control Car. Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah.
We're gonna open it up?
Yeah, I can. But I can't.
Alright, let me open it up, okay? Inside the box. Let me take it out, see?
Then I take
Got a remote on there.
I can take it out.
Alright. I'm seeing it's got the remote on the bottom. It looks like we need 2 AA's, so I think we have some of those. So you can hold that part. Yeah. And then we're gonna get the remote though, but I gotta put batteries in it, okay? Let's open it up. Comes with a cable. And here's the remote for it too. AA batteries, right?
Yeah, 2 double.
2 of them, right? 2. Instructions, this is the battery we have to load in so we can charge it. Actually, this is one of the chips that we load in so we can charge. So we have to unscrew it. There's the battery pack, right? For the box, it doesn't come plugged in, so it doesn't, the battery doesn't go low. So then we just have to plug this in here, okay?
Then it will start going.
I believe so. We'll see. Plug that in, right?
I did.
And now we screw the top back on.
Can go in water.
So after you put the batteries in, and you turn them both off, and you turn the remote on, the light will flash, and you turn this on, and the light will go off when it sinks. You ready to try? See? Oh, here we go. Let's put that on the ground. Here we go.
Yes! I want it!
Whoa. Now try. All right. It is. This is to go straight. And this one's to turn. This one here, you use that one to turn. So you try. The button in the middle, see, it makes it go lower. And now it makes it go back up again. That's super cool. Do you like it? Would you say I give it a 5? I think so. You should have it go up when it's on the grass. There we go. See, when it's on the grass, it works better that way. And then if you So one of the coolest features about this is you press this button and it goes down. See? Flattens out. Ooh, let's watch it go out. Want to watch it go really fast? Here we go. Whoa, there it goes. Now we can make it go back up again by pressing the button. Press the button. Here it goes. There we go. It can go upside down too. So either side when it flips over. Alrighty. I think we got a winner. You're making it flip over.
What?
You're making it flip over. Here it goes. See, got it in the dirt. See, it goes in the dirt. Wow.
You want to see it go up?
Yeah, go up and down. Now watch it go. We're gonna have Twister roll over him. Is this Eli's Monster Jam? Oh, that was so easy. Oh, it flipped over. So far, I think we got a winner with the Zheng Twister G remote control car. Even though it says 6+ and up, I think you can see a 3-year-old can work it. He's having fun with it. Instructions are pretty simple, pretty easy to work. Really, my only commentary is the charging port. They might want to make it where you can plug it in on the outside, but I understand why not, so the kids don't get it dirty. But other than that, I think it's pretty cool.